show-stopping native perennial with big flower power, consider something like Purple Poppy Mallow. Purple Poppy Mallow is a nice low-growing mounding plant, but it does a nice gentle ramble about 2 to 3 feet wide. It can gently trail over a retaining wall or even ramble up an adjacent plant. It's a great plant for bright, sunny sites in well-drained soils. It doesn't like wet feet, but it has a nice taproot that once established, it can handle rocky sites, dry sites, any tough thing you can kind of throw at it. It is deer resistant, but it is on the bunny menu, so if that's an issue, you might need to do some gentle screening around it. The real amazing part about this plant are the brilliant, bright magenta wine cup shaped blooms. They fill the plant late spring to summer, and that's what people really love about this plant. They're perfect for bumblebees. They're very attractive aesthetically and in terms of pollinators. It's a tough native and something you might want to really give a try in your own garden.